Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this DEWALT mechanic tool kit. Okay, so this little kit is a small portable one, so it's really easy for us to carry, either put it inside your vehicle or just leave it somewhere around the house. It's just something that's small and you have every little thing that you need, whenever you need it. Right, so this one, the regular price is $108 and now you're like 43% off. This is a limited time deal, so there's might be a time frame when you can get this, but currently it's $61.99. So you can see right here, this one, it comes with 1/4 and 3/8 drives. So there's ratchet right here, and it has, let's look at some of the pictures here. And it does come with this case here, so which is really neat. And when they say 108, so these little bits here does count as one as well too, and these little adapters. But think about it, DEWALT is a really well-known brand. Now they're getting their power tool company, but I think they're trying to get into almost every single thing. So they get into these kind of hand tools as well too. So they're known. So they're not like somebody who's not known out there. So they're built to last. And as you can see here, reduced slippage. And then here with the direct torque technology, it's helped prevent the rounded corners. And 72 tooth ratchets, which is standard in the industries. So, and then these are what it comes with right here. 26 quarter drive tools, 26 3/8 drive tools, 28 hex keys, and 22 max fit bits, and 6 specialty tools. All right, so that's a little about here. And this kit is made in Taiwan. Some of them are made in China, but this one made in Taiwan. So I think Taiwan's quality is a little bit better than China. So, but for the price, I think $60-something, I think it's well worth it. And if you guys have any questions about this tool, this deal, leave a comment below, but I'll list everything in the description for you, so that way you guys can buy it. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.